Hey, Parrot. Yeah, Lobster? Do you like boats? I guess. Well, how would you like to go on a boat with me? No thanks, Lobster. I get seasick very easily. I'd rather not. Too late, I already bought tickets. What? But can't you return it? Nope, they said no refunds. Lobster! Why would you do that? You know I get seasick. But Parrot, I come from the ocean. It's like my home. And I want to see it. Won't you come with me? Please? Fine, but only because you're my best friend. Alright, all aboard. Is everyone on? Come on, Parrot. We're gonna be late. I'm trying. I have short legs. Okay, we're sailing off. Boat sounds, boat sounds. I have to say that because I don't actually have a horn. Boat sounds, breep, breep. We're here. Do you think we missed it? Nah. Come on. Okay. Woohoo! Come on, Parrot. I am not thrilled for this boat ride. Where is everybody? I guess we're the first ones here. Lucky us. Gold nuggets? Hey, Lobster, come check this out. Oh, wow. You think it's real gold? No, of course not. No one could afford that much gold. Yar, matey! That gold be real. Huh? Who said that? I stole that gold from the enemies fair and square. Grok? Fair and square, fair and square. What do you mean you stole it from your enemies? Oh, this boat must be pirate-themed. The article didn't say anything about pirates. What are you lads doing here? Didn't you read the sign? What sign? The only sign I saw was boat ride reservations this way. Well, this ain't no boat ride, matey. This be the ship of Captain Pelican. And you two be trespassing. And you don't want to know what I do to trespassers. Grok, it's not pretty. It's not pretty. Oh no, Lobster. We stumbled upon a pirate ship, and that pirate is gonna kill us. Uh-oh. What? I ain't joking around, mateys. Not joking, not joking. Wow, I gotta say, you're really good at keeping this pirate act up. I ain't acting. Okay. You can drop the act. Just admit you're not a real pirate. Yar. If I were an actor, would I have this? Whoa, that's a big sword. Grok, really big, really big. Yar, indeed it is. And if you don't believe, I'm gonna have to use it. Aw, man, but we wanna stay. Tell you what, boys. If ye can help me get me treasure back, I'll let you boys live. Sure, we'll help you get your treasure back. Yar, it won't be easy. There will be death at every turn. Danger in every corner. You gotta be more alert than a squirrel on a highway. Okay. So where exactly is this treasure? Yar, it be in the belly of the killer whale. The killer what? The killer whale. It be the most dreaded sea monster to ever lurk the seven seas. Pfft, sea monster? Sea monsters aren't real. That's what me crew used to say. until they were gobbled up by the killer whale itself. Oh, well, that sucks. I mean, it would suck if it actually happened, but it didn't. Anyway, you got any tasty snacks? Yar! You two are so naive, so ignorant, so incompetent. If you want to survive out there, you gotta be on your toes at all times. What? On your toes, on your toes. But I don't have toes. You gotta watch out for booby traps. Ah! You can never let your girl down. A fearsome enemy approaches. What do you do? No, please. Gotta keep your head up at all times. Ow! You gotta be ready for any possible dangers. Oh. And always look down on your feet to check for any traps. Wow! You boys are not ready. You're gonna die out there. Alright, not ready. But I am gonna need all the help I can get to get me treasure back, so I'll let you two tag along. And if you don't make it, I'll tell your story. Okay, great. Can you let us down from here now? Here. Barrett, I'm not having much fun anymore. You're telling me. Yar, pull yourselves together. We got some treasure to get. Okay, man, listen. I think you're taking this pirate thing way too seriously. Bite your tongue, Parrot. It ain't matter what you think. The only thing that matters is that I get me treasure back. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna set sail right now. I don't want to set sail. I want to get off this boat. You ain't going anywhere. Fine. Man, this guy's crazy. So, what do you want to do now? There's nothing to do. We're on a boat. I'm gonna go talk to that pirate guy. Excuse me? Don't distract me while I'm steering the ship. I just wanted to ask you a few questions. How did you lose your treasure? It all happened long ago. I was sailing the seven seas with me treasure. Me sweet, sweet, beautiful, sparkly treasure. When all of a sudden, I felt a bump. What be that? And to my horror, a horrible beast emerged from the sea. It be the killer whale. It struck me see again, nearly knocking it over. And then it hit me so hard, me treasure went flying off the ship and into the mouth of the beast. And after that, it fled out of sight. I couldn't find it. And I've been searching for the killer whale ever since. It's been years. But now I've finally found out its location. The hunt is on. Pfft, sea monster. Yeah, right. Yar. Oh, what the heck was that? Rock, we hit land. Indeed, we have hit a shore. What? Already? We haven't even been at sea for like 5 minutes. It'd be a small island. I'm not gonna be able to steer the ship off. We're gonna have to get off and find a way to get the ship back at sea. Oh, are you kidding me? I know this is all part of the pirate experience, but I don't want to actually have to do work. It's not work, Parrot. It's entertainment. I don't know about you, but getting beat up and caught in a snare trap is not fun to me. Yar, everyone off the ship. Off the ship. Yay! Whee! I got sand in my beak. Gross. Come, lads. We need to figure out a way to get the ship off the land. Oh man, isn't this fun, Parrot? No. Yar! I found the problem. This big old rock is in the way. Oh no. Whatever will we do? We're gonna need something big enough to move it. But what? Yar! I've got an idea. We're just gonna have to go into that cave there yonder. That cave sure looks dark. And spooky. Yar! Stop being wimps! Are you a parrot or a chicken? Well, he's the one who said it looked spooky, not... Ow! What was that for? For talking back to your captain. Talking back to your captain? Not even my captain. You're a lobster. You should be tough. You have an exoskeleton. Yeah, but under this exoskeleton is very soft, delicate flesh. I'm just a little softy on the inside. Yar, we be pirates. We ain't have time for being soft. Gotta move on. Aye, aye, Captain. I never wanted to go to this stupid boat in the first place. Yar. I don't see anything that could be useful here. Who goes there? Huh? What was that? Who? You are? Oh, we can ask that guy for help. Oh, hello, giant gorilla man. What are you doing here? This is my home. Oh, well, you see, our ship got stuck on this land, on this big rock, and we need something big to lift it. Hey, you look big enough. Maybe you could lift it. No one steps in my cave without permission, and for that, you need to die. Ah! All right, run for your lives. Run for your lives. Incoming! Parrot! Yar, take cover! Yar, his punch got the ship moving. Everyone on. You can't get away from me. Yar! Get off me ship, you scallywag. Ooh. No. Oh my gosh. What was that? Maybe that was just one of the staff members. It's probably part of the experience. No, that guy actually tried to punch me. Could you imagine if that hit me? I would have gotten my skull crushed. I'm starting to think this guy might be a real pirate after all. Oh, come on, Parrot. Don't be silly. No, think about it. Remember when you said the article didn't say anything about pirates? That could be why. We probably got on the wrong boat. But if he was a real pirate, then that would mean the killer whale is real. But sea monsters aren't real. Huh. You're just freaking out over nothing, as usual. Yar, I'm gonna go get the ship moving. You okay, Parrot? Oh, my seasickness is kicking in. Did you hear something? Probably just the waves. Alright, boys. We're getting close to the killer whale's location. Okay, yeah, how do you actually know where the killer whale is? I have a mental map. Oh, sure. It's not like the killer whale is gonna stay in one spot. It has its own living space. Sure, buddy. What was that? Yar, the killer whale. Huh? It's here. Yar, there you are, you scallywags. Parrot, Lobster, go get the cannons ready. We have cannons? Just go. Where are they? Over there. So, we meet again, ya big scallywag. Why is this cannonball so big? And why is it yellow? Yar, hurry up with those cannons. Come on. Turn it. Now launch it. Aye, aye. The ship is going down. Whoa. No, we've been swallowed. Get me out of here. No. I can't believe it. The killer whale is real. So that means you're a real pirate after all. Yar, I've been trying to tell you that since the moment we met. Let's go on a boat, he said. It'll be fun, he said. This is all your fault. It's not like I knew we were accidentally gonna go on a pirate ship and get swallowed by a sea monster. Well, you knew very well I didn't like boats and you made me go anyway. Quit fighting. We gotta find a way to get out of here. And how are we gonna do that, huh? You got some magical pirate powers that'll help us escape the inside of a sea monster? We're gonna die in here. It's wet, it's stinky, and it's so dark I can't even see my own toes. The only way we're getting out of here is if he poops us out. We're gonna be digested. Think positive, Parrot. Oh, right, my bad. I'm positive we're gonna be digested. There is no hope in here. Yar, that's it. What's it? Keep hitting the walls. Okay. Whoa. Finally, a boat ride to get away from it all. Do boat sounds. Do boat sounds. Do boat sounds. What is that? Huh? Oh! Huh? What's up with him? Huh? Whoa! Me treasure! Yeah! We found me treasure, boys! Whoa! 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 Yo, it ain't working. We gotta hit it with something really big if you want it to spit us out. But what? If I were an actor, would I have this? Whoa, that's a big sword. Grok, really big, really big. Your sword. Your? Hey, that'd be a great idea. Parrot, the sword. Got it. Good. Let's do this. Time to end this. Whoa! Gotcha. There you go. Whew, thanks. I owe you a thanks. Because of you, the killer whale has been defeated. And I got me treasure back. Whoa. Whoa, indeed. Isn't she a beauty? Say, normally don't do this, but since you boys helped me defeat the killer whale, get me treasure back, I'll let you have some of it. Really? Yeah. Here's a gold nugget for you, and a diamond for you. Wow, thanks. I had my doubts about you two in the beginning, but you really turned things around. You boys are alright for a couple of landlubbers. Aw, thanks. You're pretty cool too. But unfortunately, we must part ways now. I still be a pirate, and you boys still be landlubbers. You need to go back to your normal lives, and I need to get back to pirating. Yeah, you're right. It's probably for the best. But hey, maybe we'll see you around someday. Yes, maybe someday. But until then, farewell, mateys. Bye! Bye, Captain Pelican. Be safe out there. So cool. I never thought I'd actually see a real diamond in person, let alone own one. Well, what do you want to do now? I want to go home and relax. This whole day was wild. I was tense the entire time. Well, let's take our treasure and bounce.